Are you ready to set sail? Working on ships can be exciting, but there are essential preparations to consider first. Before you step aboard, understand the nature of maritime work. It involves diverse tasks and unpredictable conditions. First, you need the right training. Enroll in Maritime Safety Courses, or STCW training. These courses teach crucial safety protocols and skills. Next, obtain necessary certifications. Depending on your role, you might need specific licenses. This could include a captain's license or engineering certification. Gear up with appropriate clothing. Waterproof work boots and weather-resistant jackets are essential. Prepare for varying weather conditions on the ocean. Health checks are vital. Many companies require a medical examination. This ensures you're fit for the physical demands of ship work. Let's talk about experience. Many positions prefer practical experience. Consider internships or volunteer roles. These opportunities build your resume and skills. Networking is key in the maritime industry. Attend maritime job fairs and connect with professionals. Building connections helps you find opportunities and gain insights. In summary, the maritime journey demands preparation. Secure training, certifications, and gear. Stay healthy and gain practical experience. Ready to work on ships? Start your preparation today and embark on your maritime adventure.